How to order a Lyft ride for someone else. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from the Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can order a Lyft for someone else. So you want to make sure to watch the video till the end. Now just launch the Lyft app on your device as shown in this image. Now what you have to do is type in the destination or search for it at the bottom of the screen. Once you do so, you have to make sure the pickup location is your friend or family member's current location and not yours. This might mean deleting the current location. Lyft pickups actually using your phone's GPS and manually typing in the desired pickup spot. You have to make sure you enter a manual location. After you've entered your friend's desired pickup location and destination, choose the type of Lyft you want and then just tap the option that says Select Lyft. So I'll just select Lyft and I'll tap the option that says Select Lyft. As I do that, the next page will ask you to confirm the pickup location. You may also see at the top of the screen or notification telling you that the pickup location is not near your current location. Now just below the pickup destination, tap the add a note for driver icon. So as you can see over here, once you do so, in the pop-up, add a brief note by selecting you'll be picking up or anything and a short description of your friend and their name. After you've added a note with your friend's name and or the description, just tap on the add a note for driver button as over here. And next, you have to tap on the option that says confirm pickup. Once you do so, just pay for the ride, and once a driver is assigned to the ride, you can also text or call the driver to let them know they will be picking up someone else. That's all it takes to order a Lyft ride for someone else. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you've got any more questions, then make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.